4680. Well, he should get up there where Nathan was a while ago. $287 and 26. Okay, this is Kenny Frymore here. Watch him go. Stop stopping. Stop stopping. Well, we got a 298.09. We got old Red on the hook, another 1066. Josh Beachel, you're going to be on deck. I think we got a new lead here. We have a 304.81. Okay, looks like we're ready to go here. Now, I want to watch this one. He's going to have to beat 304 if he wants to take the trophy home. Four, 5, 6. All right, he bounced his way up through there. Sometimes those tractors, I've seen some of the wheels break off when they like lift up so high and they drop down. I've seen wheels roll away already. Well, we have 306. Sorry, 308.88. Green light and green flag. Oh, that didn't work. You might surprise us.
No, I'm just looking at
Well, that's the end of that, I guess. He's on his way. Tansosh and Fenstermaker, you're the first two pulled. Okay, Jeremy's going to get on the hook here. He's got to go 308 or more. We got 322 and 2 1.